Most people think all field service software does the same job. That's where they get stuck. Because Simpro and Commusoft may look similar on the surface, but they are built for very different types of businesses. Here's the truth no one tells you. The right choice is not about features. It's about how your team works every single day in the field and in the office. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison of Simpro versus Commusoft, what each one is best at, and which one actually makes sense for your business size and workflow. Let's start with Simpro. Simpro is designed for larger, more complex field service operations. Think electrical companies, HVAC contractors, or maintenance teams managing hundreds of jobs at once. For example, imagine Alex Electrical Group handling installations, service calls, and multi-phase projects all at the same time. Simpro helps with detailed job costing, project tracking, scheduling, purchase orders, and financial control. It is powerful, but it can feel heavy if your business is small or just starting out. Now let's talk about Commusoft. Commusoft is built more for service-focused companies that want simplicity and speed. Think plumbing, HVAC, or property maintenance teams like John's Heating Services that need fast scheduling, easy customer management, and smooth engineer workflows. Commusoft shines in CRM, customer communication, service history tracking, and mobile technician use. It is generally easier to learn and quicker to deploy compared to Simpro. But here's where it gets interesting. Simpro focuses heavily on operational depth and financial control. Commusoft focuses more on customer experience and day-to-day service efficiency. So they solve different problems, even though they sit in the same category. Let's talk usability. Commusoft is known for being simpler and more intuitive for office staff and field engineers. It reduces training time and helps teams get started quickly. Simpro, on the other hand, is more advanced and structured. It may take longer to set up, but it gives you more control over complex workflows and large-scale job tracking. Now, pricing. Both platforms are professional-grade tools, so neither is cheap. Simpro typically scales based on complexity and modules. Commusoft often scales based on users and features, making it more flexible for smaller teams, but still serious enough for growing companies. So which one should you choose? If your business handles complex projects, strict job costing, and large-scale operations, Simpro is usually the stronger option. But if you care more about speed, simplicity, and improving day-to-day service delivery, Commusoft is often the better fit. Here's the simplest way to remember it. Simpro is built for control and complexity. Commusoft is built for speed and service. And that difference is what really decides everything. So don't just pick based on popularity. Pick based on how your team actually works in the field. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more software breakdowns, and comment your business type so we can help you choose the right system next.